Hello everyone, my name is Vladimir von Wolfhausen and welcome to Evolution
Extreme!
We have two very special guests, the first of which is Dr. Matthew Jerome Adams.
Hello, sir.
Our second guest is Mr. Jacob Elton Michaels.
So, man. Yeah, bro.
Your hands smell like garbage. Just take a seat.
Sorry, bro.
So, Mr. Adams, what are your ideals on the coming about of the human race?
Well, Mr. Van Wolfhausen, I am what you call an evolutionist. I believe that the human race and all other organisms on this planet were created from prokaryotic cells. I also believe that all organisms are bound to improve themselves over time.
I see. And yours, Mr. Michaels?
Well, Mr. Wolfman, I believe the same exact thing that evolutionist guy said, but, the exact opposite.
Can you elaborate on that, Mr. Michaels?
Bro, call me Crystal Rain. That's, what God, our Savior, he gave me that name.
Alright, Crystal Rain. Can you elaborate now?
Yeah, I will, Mr. Wolfman. Creationism is the belief in humanity, life, the earth, and the universe from the creator of our beautiful Savior, God, our Savior.
Whatever, hippie.
Hey, man, you and your crazy scientist junkies can think whatever you want, but you're wrong. God created all of us, and he is our Savior. Besides, man, how do you think everything got here? Magic? Nah, brah. It was God, our Savior.
Well, if you knew anything about science, you know that organisms were created from prokaryotic cells that came from a meteor millions of years ago. And as time went on, we evolved into what we are today.
Dude, you got everything totally wrong, man. First off, the universe is only 10,000 years old, and our world was reshaped by the Great Flood.
What? Are you mental?
Whoa there. We're all gentlemen here. Let's keep it civilized. Now, Mr. Michaels, Crystal Rain, based on what you told us, you seem to be what's called a young Earth creationist.
Sure, Wolf Dude. A young Earth creationist is a form of creationism. Most dudes and dudettes believe that this is the most extreme form of creationism. As a young Earth creationist, we believe that God, our Savior, created us all.
Well, that's just absurd. It's been well known for centuries that the sun is the center of the universe.
Oh, really, Mr. Scientist Dude? And how do you expect to prove this?
Well, hopefully, you know enough elementary school science to know that the larger the mass something has, the more gravitational pull it has. And since the sun is thousands of times bigger than the Earth, it only makes sense that the Earth gravitates around the sun. But I'm not sure if you're capable of understanding that.
You know what, Mr. Smarty Pants? You can take all your science mumbo-jumbo and shove it right up your...
Whoa! You can't use that kind of language here. Let's get back to the debate, shall we?
No, sir, absolutely not. There are numerous examples of evolution, like genetic drift. Genetic drift is extreme change in a population. For example, down in Central America, there are islands full of birds. If the birds were to split to two separate islands, their beak size may change based on the vegetation there.
Mr. Crystal Rain, can you please explain to the audience why you believe that creationism is better than evolutionism? So, Mr. Adams, do you think that the only way an organism could evolve is through natural selection?
Well, dude, I believe in my ways because it's based off the Bible. The Bible is one of the most important books in the world. You okay?
Sorry, bro, just a little phlegm. Just continue.
It's okay. Well, anyways, my good man, God is what created us all. So, in return, we must obey him.
Interesting. And you, Mr. Adams?
Well, I believe I am right because I have proof that evolution is correct. First off, my reason for how life was created is very possible. An asteroid hitting our planet and carrying life to it is very logical, unlike believing that some guy who has yet to have proof of existence magically created everything. Also, there is proof of natural selection and proof of the animals evolving, which makes everything I say 100% possible.
Well, I'm sorry, we're out of time today, but tune in next time for a more serious matter, when we discuss the rising awareness of snow blindness in cats and the large packs of wild dogs now running all major cities.